Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, we are going to explore something very interesting for anyone who is working with AI agents or Microsoft Copilot Studio. So Microsoft has introduced an AI agent skill gallery, and at a first glance, it looks like a prompt or sample projects, but it represents a much bigger idea here. So instead of asking AI model to solve every task from scratch, build out your own skills, now we have this agent skill gallery where we can just download these agent skills and can directly start using them into our Copilot Studio for the custom agents. For example, creating PowerPoint presentation or converting documents or working with spreadsheets. So all those few of the examples are already constructed by Microsoft in this skill gallery. So over here we can see chart builder, knowledge source router, redlining content, and there are many, like you can explore all these options. But over here we will check like how we can use this skill directly into an agent, and how you will get an idea how you can create your own skills based on these standard guidelines which is there in the skills. So for this, let me just download one of the skill from this library. Let's say this chart builder. So I will just go inside this gallery. So if you wish to read about this skill, so what it does is based on the data provided to your agent, this skill is responsible for generating the quick charts for you, and it has highlighted the benefits of using this skill. So it's saying usually faster because calling ready-made functions, work of rewriting and debugging new plotting on each request is cut out. So which means it's a more faster generation of chart, consistent because in skill you can provide the theme or whatever chart specifics you need, so you can guide that into your skill. And rough edges, the function handle the feedy bits, skipping blank rows and all that rules also you can define into this skill. So this skill is a already one built one. So what we can do, we can download this skill and it will be downloaded as zip, and once it's downloaded it is ready to be used into your any of your agent. So we will just go back to agent skill gallery again and just check the skills available over here. So we have multiple skills like knowledge source router, a router Copilot Studio, knowledge source research to the right region specific. So Americas, EMEA. So you can have a detailed look what these skills are doing. So one of the important one which we have over here is universal document converter, which can convert the HTML into PDF, PDF into Word, and vice versa. So this is pretty handy. So instead of your Copilot again invoking the inbuilt scripts or inbuilt Python code to build out the conversion of job documents, you can directly use this skill, because what it does is it defines the exact outline of what your skill should be doing. So this skill produces the different outcomes or different artifacts. So what does this PDF say? So you can review the instruction, identify the input, target format the user wants, target MD, HTML, PDF, docx, ppdx. So all this skill already has this multiple things. So how to use that downloaded skill into your custom agent? You can go to your agent, you can start building from scratch. Let's say I will click on this agent. So over here we have sections. So we already in our past multiple videos is talked about skill tools and multiple things, so you can watch those videos if you need to understand skills in detail. But at high level I can tell you that what skill would do is, so let's say a person in prompt says that analyze this spreadsheet and create charts. Okay, so the AI model, because it already has multiple inbuilt tools, so what it will do, it will analyze the data and it will start building the line chart, bar chart based on the inbuilt tools which this LLM model would be having. But with the skill, what you can do, you can actually instruct it how it should use those tools to generate the desired outcome. So instead of just doing the default generation of content, we can specialize the content based on our the skill behavior. So if I click on this skill, and we have downloaded one skill, the chart builder. So what I will do, I will just drag and drop that skill, or you can just click over here and from your library you can drop that skill. So once this skill is dropped, automatically it will save everything, but will open the skill again. So just to check what artifacts or what references this skill is taking. So it's a good way of going through all the files which a skill refers to, because if you are going to build your custom skill, so you can also do the same way. So I will just click on this chart builder. So now you see we have this chart builder as skill name, description. Use this skill whenever the user asks to visualize chart, plot, graph from a CSV table or a data frame. And it has the detailed instruction over here. So everything is already inbuilt as we have used this from our this skill library. So everything it uploaded based on that zip file. So in asset, we have this sample data. So that our skill, our LLM can understand that what sort of data we are looking for. And then in the references, we have this chart builder function cheat sheet. So it has the detail about like how the skill would be invoked with the references. We have this script chart.py, which is a Python script. So in script reference, we have this script which will be invoked to generate the chart. So the same way, if you wish to customize this thing, then you can update this skill. You can update the downloaded zip file. You can extract these references and you can update this MD file also, and again do a zip and then upload it. So you can customize those skill as well. And once you save it, then you are ready to invoke this tool. So over here in instruction, you can write an instruction like you are financial analyst, and based on the provided CSV or Excel file, just build out the desired chart using our my skill, this chart builder. You can name it. I've named it as a FA agent, and I will just save it. And in instruction, you can be detailed about like what you are expecting, but for testing, for demo, it's fine just giving this instruction. And now I will just say like I will upload something to it, and will say like to create the chart. So based on my uploaded CSV, build the respective charts, and I will upload my this file, the CSV file. And once I do enter, and this my agent will invoke the chart builder skill. So right now you can see it, and along with this analyzing CSV, because it's an inbuilt skill which would be used to analyze the data first and then pass that to chart builder. So what we just saw is like an AI agent skill which we downloaded from the skill library is a reusable package of instruction, knowledge, reference file, script, everything packaged into one zip, which can be uploaded into our agent. And if you wish to customize, then you can just unzip it in your file system itself, update something, and then upload it again. Then it will update the same skill. So this way you can actually start using the skill which is already given by Microsoft. And then cat team, like cat team is building out all these agents skills, and you can go through all these templates which are there. For example, in our last video, we did this PowerPoint deck designer. So we already have one skill over here. So you can simply go and download this skill, which can actually generate the PowerPoint files based on our requirement. So right now the previous skill has invoked and it generated the charts, and in the same agent actually I can add multiple other skills. So I will upload this PowerPoint deck designer, and this skill we will just check like what instruction it has, because my expectation is that this will ask for a template file of your organization. Let's say you have some already themed presentation for your organization, then you can give that theme as part of the instruction to this PowerPoint deck designer, and it will then generate a PowerPoint. So over here you can see I have this asset. In asset we can define your company's theme, the color, primary, secondary, everything, like the actual styling template it should use. So you can modify this, as I said, like directly. It's not editable. How you can do it? Deck designer, you can open any of these assets, go to this theme, and you can open this, extract it, modify it, and then package it again, the zip it again. So once you modify based on your company's requirement, then you need to again upload this entire zip file back into your skills. And once you do that, you can just go through all the other instructions. You can see what various script files, the Python files it's using while generating this PowerPoint deck. So simple way, if you wish to like create any skills, just have your any LLM tool, ChatGPT or Gemini or whatever you are using, or Copilot itself, to write Python script for your use case, and have that Python script into script folder, and reference that script folder into your this MD file, so that it can refer, it can say like, okay, invoke this script whenever your skill is invoked. And you can just put the examples like how it should work. And of course, in the skill MD, provide the detailed instruction what you're expecting this skill to do. And once it's done, then you can start testing your this into preview. So I will just say I have pptx file template. I need to build deck based on it for latest AI trends, let's say. And I will just provide the any pptx sample which I had from my earlier thing, and it will invoke our this new skill which we have just added. So it loaded our this PowerPoint deck designer, and it's analyzing the template given, and then it will start building out the actual AI latest trend PowerPoint presentation new using this tool. So coming back to the gallery, so this gallery is very useful because creating skill from zero can be confusing. Those people who are not having experience, they can start downloading this skills from the gallery, and then they can start modifying it. So because confusion could be like how to actually structure the skill. So because if I just go back to our build, then this thing having this folder asset references, if I just create the skill from scratch, you will see I don't get anything to upload as in references. So if you wish to like create this structure, with the structure the way which skill is expecting, then it's always better to download existing skill, modify it, and then upload it, then zip it and then upload it. So consider this skill gallery as a learning resource, and you may find your use case maybe like already existing over here, or you can design or you can rewrite based on these provided templates. And over here, if you see, like I have this plugin also. So no skill match your search, try a different. So we are expecting maybe like some plugins would also come from this library, which can be directly used or maybe modified based on our need. So I'm really excited about this gallery. And one more important thing, like once you add your skill over here, so if you want your skill to be invoked always, then it's always good. Like in the chat itself, you can say that, okay, invoke my skill, and you can provide the skill name to generate or to do this task. Because sometimes like this LLM like would not automatically check your skill because it has multiple inbuilt skill doing the same work. So it may invoke the inbuilt or default skills also. So just like it's always good to mention that invoke my skill to do this task, something like that. So I hope like you may find it useful. You can also explore at your end. And if you have something, you build something interesting, then you can contribute as well into this using this contribute a skill method. So that is it for today's video. Thank you.